Is AI actually smart, or is it just math? Let's find out. Welcome to the first episode of Wealth Automation with AI. To build wealth using these tools, you first need to understand what they are. Today, we are stripping away the hype to cover the history, the types, ANI versus AGI, and the mechanics of how AI actually learns. So, why is this essential? AI is no longer theoretical. It is actively reshaping industries and creating massive new avenues for efficiency and wealth creation. If you want to automate your income or business, you cannot afford to ignore the engine that powers it. At its core, AI is the intersection of human intelligence, reasoning and problem solving, and machine capabilities, computation, and speed. Simply put, AI is the science of making machines perform tasks that typically require a human brain. It isn't magic, it is advanced data processing. How did we get here? In the 1950s, it was just logic and games, like the Turing test. In the 1980s, we built expert systems based on strict rules. The 2010s brought the deep learning boom, using neural networks. Now, in the 2020s, we have arrived at generative AI and large language models, machines that can create, not just analyze. It is crucial to distinguish between the types of AI. Type 1 is ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence. This is what we have today. Whether it's Siri, a chessbot, or a self-driving car, these systems are designed to perform one specific task exceptionally well. They cannot operate outside their programmed lane. Type 2 is AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is the theoretical goal, a system that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence to any task, just like a human. When people talk about human-level AI, this is what they mean. We are not there yet. Then there's Type 3, ASI, or Artificial Superintelligence. This is a hypothetical future where AI becomes smarter than the best human brains in every field: creativity, wisdom, and social skills. While this is a popular sci-fi concept, it remains far in the future. So how does the magic happen? It happens in a loop. First, there's data input. The AI system processes this to find patterns. It generates an output or prediction. Finally, and most importantly, feedback is given. The system uses this feedback to refine itself, reducing errors over millions of cycles. Let's recap your AI foundation. Number 1, AI simulates human intelligence for specific tasks. Number 2, AI has evolved through distinct historical phases. Number 3, ANI is current. AGI and ASI are theoretical. And finally, AI learns through data, patterns, and feedback. That builds your foundation. In the next episode, we stop talking theory and start using the tools. We will dive deep into ChatGPT and how to master prompting. Click the video on the screen now to continue your journey into wealth automation.